What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Robu.in. Let's jump into the discussion of an exciting news on machine learning, TinyMl and Arduino. We are all familiar with the latest trend, that is machine learning. Building machine learning algorithms were difficult. The mathematical nodes were based on complex and lengthy data training. Apart from this, ML related tasks were transferred to cloud, which then created latency, consumed more power, and needed a better internet connection. These factors made machine learning computing slower, expensive, and less predictable. But TinyML brought the change. TinyML is the latest embedded software. Machines or hardwares can use this magical technology to grow and learn like a human primitive brain. If you want to know more details about TinyML, then make sure to subscribe to Robu.in for further upcoming videos. In 21st century, 250 billion of microcontrollers are used. The compatibility of TinyML with microcontrollers and ease of use makes it one of the most powerful embedded technologies for analyzing vision, audio, motion, and more. Sooner or later, machine learning and TinyML is going to impact retail, healthcare, transportation, wellness, fitness, manufacturing, and many more sectors. Now let's talk about benefits of TinyML. Previously, learning models were made smaller, faster, and runnable on embedded hardware using projects like TensorFlow Lite. But quality dataset and extracting the right features and deploying these models were difficult. Now researchers say that TinyML was the missing link between edge hardware and device intelligence, which is coming to fruition. The main advantages that I would like to highlight here are low latency, low power consumption, low bandwidth. Now, here is then exciting news for all machine learning enthusiasts. Arduino and Edge Impulse are together turning an ubiquitous Arduino board into a powerful embedded ML platform, just like the Arduino Nano 33 BLE sense. With this alliance, we can run powerful models based on A and N using low-powered microcontrollers. I'm very excited to tell you that TinyML can be used with Arduino Nano 33 BLE sense, because this board falls under the list of suggested hardware for deploying machine learning models on edge. Using such boards or microcontrollers with TinyML, we can do awesome things. For example, a drug development process can take up to 5 years, but using TinyML and a suitable hardware, you can boost up this process up to 12 months. Well, using TinyML and a simple Arduino board, you can detect and alert an unusual coughing as a first defense mechanism for COVID containment. Recently, Edge Impulse and Arduino have published a project that is running TinyML on Arduino Nano 33 BLE sense that can detect some coughing in real-time audio, including coughing and background noise sample. And optimized TinyML was applied to detect coughing on 20 KB RAM on Nano BLE sense. This project was originally started by Karthik Thakur. That was it for today, guys. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a like. Tell me your thoughts about any other topic or about this video in the comment section below. If you haven't till now, then make sure to subscribe to Robu.in. Until next time, peace out.